Hello! In this video, you will see how to properly wrap SUPERMOTO wheels using EVEMX graphics. For the installation, we will need a knife, a squeegee, a cloth, brake cleaner, or another alcohol-based cleaner. We will also need a heat gun or a hairdryer. First, the wheels must be cleaned thoroughly. Do not skip any areas between the spokes, so everything is degreased, clean, and the decal sticks properly. It is very important to clean the edge between the tire and the rim. These decals are designed and pre-cut specifically for EVEMX design wheels. We peel off part of the decal. We position the center section first. Then, we align it with each spoke. Because the decal is warm, the glue is already activated and sticks much more firmly. Once the center is applied, we can remove the backing paper. We heat the decal and continue applying it up to the first edge. When reaching the rim edge, we need to heat the decal even more and slowly stretch it around the curve. After folding over the first edge, we heat it again to apply it smoothly onto the flat surface. When reaching the final edge, just like with the first one, we heat the decal and stretch it all the way to the rim edge. If you notice that there is a lot of excess material, you can trim it slightly to make bending easier. The wheel is now almost fully wrapped. If you still see air bubbles, do not be afraid to lift the decal and fix them. Once everything looks clean and correct, heat the entire area thoroughly to lock the glue in place. Now, we trim the excess material. Make sure your knife blade is sharp. Cut carefully along the edge of the rim. After trimming, heat the edge once more and press it down firmly. One quarter of the job is now complete. Next, we apply the decal to the second section of the wheel. One side is already wrapped, so now we only need to align and apply the next section. The installation principle is exactly the same. The most important part is aligning it with the previous decal, so everything matches cleanly and the holes remain round and precise. And that's how it should look.